Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start model number 1, website strategy for earnings that works. In this model have 5 lectures. First lecture is ready website for Black Hat method, powerful strategy. Today we will cover this lecture. So let's start. How you can know your website is ready or not ready for Black Hat work? This is website called flickover.com. Flickover. Here you can buy the group tools in cheap rate. You can check here, many tools are available in very cheap rate. So I have buy this Ahrefs tool from this site in 600 Indian rupees per month. So $10 per month. This is the access. Now I want to show you how you can know your website is ready or not ready for Google AdSense Black Hat technique. So now we open the google.com and type any keyword. For example, I have type make money online. I have typed this keyword. Now you can notice here which website are ranking. This is the first website, Economic Time, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These 10 websites are rank on this keyword. So what we need now, we will check this website. For example, online income. I will check this website in Ahrefs. Ahrefs will be show this website how many keywords are ranked on Google AdSense. Google first page, blog. I will copy the domain and I go to Ahrefs and paste here search data. Now Ahrefs show me how many articles and keywords are ranked from this website on first page. I will show you what is the benefit. This is the organic keywords. Here you can check 2.5k, 2500 keyword are organic keyword are ranked from this website. Now we need to check organic keywords and we check which keywords are ranked on first page. Here you can check online jobs without investment. This keyword from this website position 7. That means this keyword are ranked on 7 position. Here you can check this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number rank from this website, this keyword. So this website can work on Black Hat because many keywords are ranked on Google from this website. This is the ready website for Black Hat method. You can check online jobs in India. This keyword rank position on 7. You can check now 7. And earn money online without investment for student. This keyword are rank on 5 to 1. 1 to 5 means that this keyword are movement. 1 to 5 first page 5 number are rank this website on this keyword. So this is our first step. You need to create a website on any single keyword and you need to rank any one keyword. You can work on Black Hat. Single keyword you can start work on Black Hat. First you need to rank any keyword. Not important. You can you need to write articles on make money or other things. You can check which keyword are low competition, and you can start work on it. And I need only your website. We need watch here first page. If your website are ranking on first page, then you can send traffic on this keyword. For example, I write here make money online, and suppose this is your website on second position. Now what's our next strategy? We need to this keyword target and send traffic on this keyword, and tell him our website name is this one, and you need to search this keyword and go to Google, and first page you will be find our website name is this one, and now you need to enter our website from search engine. This is the first step. So that's called ready website for black hat technique. You need to rank any keyword on Google's first page. If your website are rank on Google, any article rank on Google, you can send traffic on it. Now you think how we can rank on first page. We don't know SEO. This is a simple method I will show you. You go to Google Trends. Now here I open Google Trend, and I will show you what are trending on now in this time, which articles, which keywords are ranked on this time. So you can cover these keyword on your article. For example, recently trending is Alexandra Grant 2000 searches, 200k searches of this keyword. So let's click on it, and you can check these articles are ranked on Google. Almost complete traffic coming from Google on this keyword. This is the keyword election 2019 Miami Jet, and these three articles are ranked on this keyword. So if your website is not ranked on Google, then you can write article on trending topic. You can write articles on trending topics. If you write article on this keyword, then your article may be ranked on Google. This article published before 12 hours, and searches you can check 100k searches of this keyword, and many articles are ranked on this keyword. So you can write content on trending topic. Any keyword you can target, and you need to write article. If you don't know how to write article, then I will suggest you simple way to write article on any keyword. For example, I have opened this article. Shijian election day. This is the main keyword. Now it's going on trend, and we need to copy of this title, and I will show you how you can find ready-made content. Go to YouTube, and search this keyword here. Search on blog, and you need to find some short clip or short news. Go to filter and click on today. we need latest content. So for example, this is the CNN content. We don't need CNN content. We need local, any video you can get local. For example, this video you get. Now you need this video convert to text. This video you need to convert to speech to text. After that content text you can post on your website. This is the unique article. Your article will be rank on Google. So this is the first step. You need to create your website ready on Google, ready for black hat technique. So when your website is ready, you need to rank some keyword. Any keyword you can rank. You can rank trending topic keyword. You can rank any other topic keyword. You need to get position from 1 to 10 on Google. Any keyword you need to rank. First, this is the first step. Once your any keyword are rank on Google, after that you can use my black hat technique to send traffic on that keyword. The traffic will be go to your website from search engine. After that traffic are browse your content, read your content, and after that they click on your ads and you will earn on Google AdSense. This is my first step. So next we will cover second lecture. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat course that work step by step, and we cover first lecture. Now today in this lecture we will cover how to find top keywords of your website for black hat. So yes, last video I have shown you how you can check which keywords are ranked on your website on Google. So now we need to check any other website. For example, I type here how to lose weight fast. You can add long tail keyword without exercise. How to lose weight fast without exercise. Now I enter and I will show you which website is ready for black hat technique to get paid traffic and clicks. For example, this website, thehealthy.com. I think this website have many articles rank on Google. So you can also rank your any keyword, long tail or short tail keyword. Only you need to rank on first page. This is not important you work on white hat or you work on black hat. Any method you want to use, only you need to rank any keyword on Google's first page from your website. This website I will show you how many keywords, organic keywords are ranked on Google. So now we enter this domain here on Ahref and search data, and now we need to check how many keywords are ranked from this website on Google. After that I will show you how you can get benefits from these organic keywords. Now you can check 482 organic keywords are ranked on Google. This is the best website. I think if this person doing some black hat technique, this person will be earn more than $5,000 from only Google AdSense. Now I check organic keywords, and we need to check keyword position on Ahref. This is the very good position, and these are keyword. The healthier position is 4, and healthy.com. This is the also website name, but this keyword are rank on number 4. And now you can check Healthy Digest magazine. This keyword movement 1st to 5, and many keywords are rank on Google. You can check here. So if your website getting any 2 keyword, only 2 keywords are rank on Google, then you can send traffic on those keywords from Google, and you can work on black hat technique. This is the first step. You need to rank any keyword on from your website. How to find a keyword to rank? You can find from this website. You can check how many keywords are ranked. This is the new keyword. For example, I will check here. This is the new keywords, and the position are 11, 30 and 22. This is the more far. We need keyword position on first page. So movement keyword, I check here. This is the movement keyword, and position is very long. These keywords are going to very far. If you don't know how to rank any keyword from your website, then I will suggest you easy way. A website, SEO clerks.com. This website, here you can check many freelancers are working in very cheap rate. These freelancers rank your website on first page on Google. They're getting some paid and they can work. If your website is already ranked on Google, if your website have some keywords first page on Google, then your website is ready to doing black hat technique for Google AdSense earning. If you are new user and you don't know how many keywords from my website are ranked on Google, you can check in ahref.com. This is a paid tool. Here you can check how many keywords from your website are ranked on Google. First step is that if you want to use black hat technique, then you need to rank some keyword on Google. If any one single keyword are ranked on Google, then you can use this black hat technique for works. And if you don't have any website, or if you have don't have any AdSense account, then I will suggest you buy any Google AdSense account from Facebook. Many people are selling website with Google AdSense account, maybe $50 they will sell it. So you need to buy a Google AdSense account with website in $50. Once you buy this account, now you need to write some articles on trending topic. For example, any trending topic you can cover, and after writing article, you need to if you can rank on Google, this is better. If you can't rank your keywords on Google first page, then you come to here, SEOclerk.com. Here many people you will find, they are rank your website. You can check here, Google top 3 guaranteed September update 2019. This person guaranteed rank your website in 1 month, but the charge is very high. You can check here. Will boost your ranking first page on Google, only $20. Check this person, only $20 you need to pay this person, and this person rank your website on any keyword on first page on Google. Maybe these people are doing some black hat technique, but no problem. Only we need only our website rank on Google's first page. Check here 2019, rank your website on Google and get money back. This is price only $35. Yani this person you need to pay only $35, and this person rank your website in Google's first page. So once your website going to first page on Google, after that you will use our black hat technique to send traffic and make money on Google AdSense. So this is the simple step. Next video we will cover next lecture. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover lecture number 3, best topics to rank first page on Google. What is the best topic to rank first on Google? So you can check on Google. Here you can check Keyword Explorer, and here I type upcoming movies. I write 2020. It's best on Bollywood or Hollywood. Hollywood I will check which movies are comes on 2020. So here we need list for movies, which movies will be released on 2020. This is very simple step. So if you want to rank your website, I will suggest you simple topic. For example, this movie will become Godzilla versus Kong. This movie will become on 2020. Now if we check this keyword of this movie, what is the position or what is the searchage of this keyword? Search data. Oh, I think this is not Keyword Explorer. Here Keyword Explorer. I have searched there. This is, for example, this keyword Godzilla versus Kong. I type on Google and I use here United States. USA, US, search this movie. What is the search volume and how many competition? This movie search volume is 17K and clicks 5.3, and also these keywords you can check here. This tool is very powerful tool. This tool suggests you how you can work on this topic and how you can work. So here you can check questions. What questions public are search on Google or and Quora. Who win in Godzilla versus King Kong? Google when Godzilla coming out. These all question. If you write any question on, if you write any content on these question, and if you are using these keyword on your article will be ranked on Google first page rank on Google. Here you can check very low competition. These are very low competition keywords. Searches are okay. You can check search Godzilla vs Kong 17,000, and this is also now these all keywords you can check here, and you can check also here these all keywords, and here you can check these all question. You can cover any question to write article on this topic, and this article going to rank first page on Google. So you need to write any article, only we need to rank any keyword on Google, because we want to send traffic on that keyword to our website for clicks, for AdSense earning. Do not matter your website rank from black hat or white hat or any hat. Only we need to rank first page on Google. So this is my strategy. Last time I have worked on upcoming movies. For example, I write article Bad Boys for Life. This movie coming soon on 2020. But what I write article? I write article download Bad Boys for Life full movie in HD quality, something title I write, and I have write some article for which actors are working on this movie or something, and I have published this article on my website, and I have get backlinks from some biggest website. After that, my article are rank on Google. Once my article are rank and some organic traffic start to come to my website, after that I have sent some paid traffic of for my website for that keyword. Search that keyword and said I traffic, and that traffic clicks on ads. So now the question is, if you think if we work on movies download or something, then Google cannot approve over AdSense. My answer is, if you have already approved account from Google AdSense, then you can publish article on movies related content. You can publish, and you can also show ads on that website. For example, these all people are working on movies downloading or movies type website, and here you can check also they place Google AdSense ad on their website. So this is simple strategy. First you need to get approval from Google AdSense. Once Google AdSense approved your website, now you can publish movie article on your website. Why I tell you write article on movies niche? Because here upcoming movies not have much competition, but here many people are search these keyword, these movies on Google. Movie lovers are search that keywords on Google. And if you target these upcoming movies on your website, download link or something, download all song from Dolittle movie released on 2020, then people are come from this keyword to your website, and this is the organic traffic. We need only organic traffic from the Google. Once we get traffic from Google, organic ways, organic traffic from search engine, after that we can use our black hat technique to get more clicks and earn more money on Google AdSense. This is my third lecture. Next lecture we will cover referral traffic versus social media traffic. Welcome friends. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover referral traffic and social traffic for clicks. What is the difference in referral traffic and social media traffic? First, we need to learn what is the social traffic and what is the referral traffic. For example, here I search how to weight loss. For example, I write this article, this keyword, and I will check some website. Here people are doing black bagging from this website. For example, this website have article, and you need to check in comment section. Maybe some people are get backlinks from here. These are question, but not any backlink. Here is not any comment backlink. This is also referral traffic from Quora. For example, this person asked what is the quickest way to lose without exercise, lose fat without exercise. Here you can check 100+ people are answer, and maybe many people are getting backlinks from this website. I click here, continue reading. Here is not any backlink or any article. Here you can check. You want to make sure avoid these 5 common mistakes. Here this person keep the link of his website. If someone click on this link, they are redirect to his website. This is called referral traffic. This is the referral traffic. Google AdSense accept the referral traffic, but for click, Google AdSense, listen, Google AdSense accept referral traffic if they click on your ads. If social media traffic comes to your website and if they click on your website, Google may be not accept that clicks on your Google AdSense account. This is my practical experience. Before I have work, what I am doing, I have shared some articles on Pinterest, on Facebook and Twitter. I have shared my website article link. Okay. After that, some people coming to click from social media to my website, and I noticed that they people are click on my ad, Google not accept that click. Yani some clicks Google accept, but some clicks Google not accept, because that is called social media traffic. Google like only that people who comes to your website from search engine. This is the first traffic, that's called search engine traffic. If people are coming to your website from search engine, that is very good traffic according to Google. And the second thing, if people are coming from referral traffic, for example, this is Quora, and also you can check many websites, people are comment and they get backlink from that website. And this is the referral traffic. Google also allow referral traffic to your website. But third traffic called social media traffic. Social media traffic is allowed to go your website and browse article, read articles and click on ads, but you cannot get more clicks from social media traffic, because that clicks Google not accept. If Google accept, then you will face ad limit problem on your Google AdSense account. So I suggest you, if you want to work on black hat technique for get clicks to buy clicks for earning, then must send traffic from search engine only. If you send traffic from search engine, then people are coming to your website from search engine. After that, they click on your ads, that clicks are accept on Google AdSense. If people are coming from social media or referral traffic, this some click are accept and some click may be not accept. So how to send traffic from search engine? First lecture I have teach you. You need to rank any one keyword on Google. You need to rank only one or two keyword on Google. If you getting real traffic from search engine with that keyword, then you can send paid traffic from search engine to your website. This is the strategy called traffic strategy. 3 type of traffic in the world. First is search engine SEO traffic, search engine traffic. Second call social media traffic, and third call referral traffic. Google AdSense allow all traffic, but if you send some fake traffic for click, then you need to send by Google only. I think you understand what I want to say. So we will cover next lecture. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start Model 3, paid clicks earnings method that works. This is the paid click method. Today we will cover best VIP method to buy click for AdSense in cheap rate. So let's start. Here is 2 websites. One website name is picoworkers.com and second website name is rapidworkers.com. This is the 2 best website for doing paid campaign. We will analyze in this lecture how you can get clicks and how someone running campaign here. So let's check this one. Visit website plus click 1x. What they write? Pick the website from picture, yellow color, see image. Here he show this website. Now you can check speed up Kali Linux. This keyword. This person want to search this keyword on Google, and after that he need going to this website. How to speed up your Kali Linux? This website. He need find to this website and go here in the website. After that stay 1 minute minimum on this post and scroll down slowly. Click one ad, stay 20 second minimum. Do not click more than 1 click. Humble request. Visit any 3 posts on the website, scroll down slowly, stay for 3 minutes maximum. And what they need proof? Last sentence of 2 articles you open. This campaign this person have run only for 2 cents and work done 70 by 27 means 27 people are finished this work from the 70. So here you can check in Rapid Worker. Many people are doing same campaign like this for AdSense ad click. Before start the course, what I say you, if your website any keyword any keyword from your website or rank on Google, then you can send traffic from Google search engine. If you send traffic from social media or other place, after that click are not accept or maybe deduct from the Google AdSense account. So you need to send traffic from search engine. How you can send traffic from search engine? Once your website any keyword rank on Google first page, after that you can start campaign like this, simple visit and just click. This campaign you can check international 3 minutes and this person paying only 5 cents. These all type of campaigns in the Rapid Worker you can check. Many type of campaign here people are running like me and you. Check here, visit website and click a Google AdSense ad must USA, and this person paying 16 cents for 3 minute work and 20 click they want. That means this person paying only 60 cents for 20 people. We will calculate now. Here is calculator. 0.16 into 20. This person paying only $3.20 for 20 clicks from USA. And what they earn, you can manage. If anyone click from USA, this person got minimum CPC is 0.50 cent. For example, this person got CPC 50 cent into 20 clicks they got from here. They earn $10 and what they pay $3.20. $7.70 is profit from only this campaign. So you can also run this type of campaign here. Rapid Worker, here many workers are work. Here is a small task. Many people are doing for campaign for click and CPA offer and many thousands of campaigns here running. Here you can check. I have deposit $300, $295 I have spent here, and my balance is $13. $300 I have run campaign here only on this website. And here you can check in Pico Worker. I have spent many more money. Here you can check these all type of campaign, and here you can check my case study, my jobs, and here you can check 1, 2, 3. Many campaign are here, and also I go to Achieve folder. Here is all my campaign. All my campaign. I have run all these campaign from the last 6 months, and I have earned much more money on Google AdSense. Here is I send traffic to my website from search engine, and they people are going to my website from searching keyword on Google and go to my website, and after that people are visit other postage 10 post or something and 1 click on my Google AdSense ad, and I have earned much more money on Google AdSense. So you can check here. This is my case study live. You can check here. These all campaign runs by me within last 6 months. And here you can check small jobs. Pico Worker is very active side. Here thousands of people are work daily. Here you can check 135 jobs are available. Mostly jobs you can check. Visit website, click 1. Here you can check post YouTube comment or visit website, click 1. Visit website, click 1. Visit website, click 1. Mostly campaign people are running for Google AdSense, getting clicks from search engine. If your website any one keyword are rank and that keyword getting traffic 1000 from Google search engine, after that you can send some traffic from Pico Worker or Rapid Worker to your website by searching keyword. Then those people are going to your website and they visit 10 posts or pages in your website. After that, they are click on one ad and you will earn more. Here you can check, for example, I have opened this post, what they need. This campaign only for 2 cent, and this person clicks need 118 clicks and 110 people already finished this work for 2 cent only. This is campaign for worldwide. You can check. Go to here. This is made people. They are sending directly on blog. This is wrong campaign, I think. If you run your campaign, always send people by search engine to your website. If people are going to direct in your website and then they click on your ads, that clicks are not accept on Google AdSense because that is direct traffic. You need to send traffic by search engine. So this is wrong campaign, I think. We will check another campaign. This is very cheaply campaign, very cheap rate you can run your campaign here. This also 2 cent. And what this person write here, go to here, click one post, visit the blog, check 5 posts on blog. Also this is not good campaign. I will check campaign for 5 cent or something, also 2 cent. This is download file campaign. And you can check here many of campaign here available for from 2 cent to 25 cent, 30 cent. Mostly campaign are here for click AdSense ad. So this is very good website, picoworkers.com. I have used this website for getting clicks on my Google AdSense account from last 6 months, and I have earned more $1,000. I will show you my last 6 months earning from Pico Worker and Rapid Worker also. Here also I have run many campaigns, and here is thousand people are working part time for 2 cent to 30 cent. That people are like poor people. They are working for small task, and they are real people from real IP address. You can get many clicks from Pico Worker and Rapid Worker. This is the best website. If you don't know how to run campaign, I can create campaign, you just need to open campaign of someone. For example, I have opened this is 4 cent campaign. I have opened this one. You can copy this campaign. Go to Google search and search for best travel booking site and find result. Also they show screenshot. We will check the screenshot. Check about best blog. This is his website. He want to search this keyword and going to this website. If someone search on Google these keyword, this website coming on top on Google first page. After that, people are going to his website from search engine. After what they want, click to visit website, click the blog section, visit, read 5 article, read each article 15 seconds per article. This is for good RPM. And your task, check against my Google Analytics. Make sure you are strictly follow my instruction and require proof. This is the proof. If someone interested on this job, they click on I accept this job. Here they can click. After complete the work, they can upload a screenshot here, lightshot.com, lightshot.sc. Here you can upload your screenshot of browser history or anything and copy the link and send here. send here. For example, this is the proof and you can submit here. I complete that task. After that, this person will be check your job, and if you work honestly and good work, after that he will approve your job and you will earn 4 cent. If you are a campaigner, if you are an employee and you want to run campaign like this, then you can create your account here, go to my job section and you can click here start a new job, and you can select here, for example, international already selected. And what country do you need click? For example, this is China. I don't need click from China. I have check here. And for example, I no need click from Nepal. Check here. I no need click from India, Morocco, Philippines, Bangladesh, or Sri Lanka, Pakistan. These all countries give me a low CPC, very low CPC. So I have select here. These all people are not coming to my campaign because I not allowed. I have exclude these countries for my work. So other country, which country you not selected, these people going to your website and click one. This is the first targeting. You can select international. Second targeting, you can select USA and Western. Here is green. You can check here green. Green means must include country when you target other zone. For example, I have select USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. I need all people from these 5 countries going to my website and click one ads. So I can check here. You can always select international because people from international countries working here, more people are working here. After that, you need to select second one, search, click, engage. This is showing you what the rate, 2 cent for 25 people available position. Minimum you can run campaign for 25 people. Speed, you can, if you want to click fast and fast, then you can select speed 1000. If you need slow click, then you can select here 500 speed. 500 means peoples are click on your website is slowly, and this is 1 click. You can search and 1 click 4 cent, search and 2 click 6 cent. This is showing here rate of he is working, but do not get more than 1 ad. So this is the best campaign. Search and click 1x. Here is showing worker will be earned 4 cent. For example, here I always keep 5 cent because I need some extra work. Here you can check important. Worker must be able to finish your task short period of the time. You cannot ask worker to click 5 ad, click banner ad, or 1 day, keeping your friend weekly, something. You cannot ask this one. You can read all instruction from the Pico workers. And here you can check. You can ask minimum 4 item of proofs. This is very important. If you need a screenshot for check your work, your task must be pay 5 cent per task. 5 cent you can pay, or you can get a screenshot of browser history. So I suggest you always, if you want to run campaign on Pico worker, always select 5 cent, and people here you can select, for example, 100 or 150. I always running campaign like this. This 150 click I get only on $8.43. Okay, after that $8 I have spent here, and 150 click I will earn minimum $80 to $90 from only this campaign. So here you can write, for example, visit website plus click 1, and here you can write your campaign. For example, like these people. For example, I go to Google and search make money online, for example, this keyword, and my website, for example, this one, my website, onlinehomeincome.in. So what I need, I take a screenshot from here. For example, I take a screenshot. This screenshot, okay? I will save in my desktop. After that, I will close all and I open this screenshot in my Paint, MS Paint, and I will select this one, and here select red color and show this keyword, and you need to going this website. Okay, this keyword you need to search and going to this website. After that, you need to remove this domain name, because if people are watching your domain name, they're going to direct in your domain name. So we need to, for example, I go to pencil, and this is very small. I have removed the domain name, because if people are watching my domain name, they are going to directly on my website. This is my completely screenshot. Okay, now I will save and close this one, and I will upload this screenshot to here. Upload this screenshot here. After that, I will show you how you can run this type of campaign from search engine. Close this one, copy this link. Here, everyone can watch your screenshot, what you need. This keyword, you want to search this keyword and you want to go into this website. Okay, so copy this screenshot and write campaign like this. Go to Google and search make money online without quotes. Okay, this is your first line. Go to Google and search make money online like this, and go to search make money without quote. Check screenshot for example, and you paste here this screenshot link. For example, go to Google search, search make money online without code, check this screenshot. For example, go to this website. What is the site name? For example, your site name is onlinehomeincome.in. Okay, so I will open, I will copy the domain name. You can see what I am doing. You need to same running campaign like same. I have removed this one, online income. I have removed home. Again, I keep here star. this is go to this website online ho other this one and .in. Okay, now number 4, visit 10 posts and wait 10 seconds each post. Okay, after that number 5, click one banner ad and go to ad website and visit any other 3 pages. Okay, this is my campaign is ready. Go to Google search make money online without quotes. This is quotes without quote. Check screenshot. For example, go to this website online home something.in and visit 10 posts and wait 10 seconds each post. Click on one banner ad and go to website, go to ad website and visit any other 3 pages. Okay, this is complete my campaign. What proof I need? Send screenshot of your browser history. Send a screenshot of your browser history. Okay, first this one and date and time must be visible, because some people are doing like this. They work from today and this screenshot after 3 days they can send you. So this is important thing. You need to check date and time must be visible, because you can identify this person are working today or yesterday or when he work. So this is campaign is ready now. This is your campaign, this title, and this is work proof you need. After that you need to submit job. Once you submit your job, and if you have balance in your wallet, if you don't have balance, you go to deposit on Pico Worker. Here you can deposit some money from PayPal, $10, $25, $50, $100. And if you don't have PayPal, you can also deposit money from your credit card or debit card. And also you can deposit money with cryptocurrency, BTC something. So you need to deposit money first in your Pico Worker account. After that you can add money. For example, here you can check $12 I already have my account. So if you have money in your Pico Worker account, after that you can run this type of campaign. And I have deselect some countries because I don't need click from China. I don't need click from Nepal, for example, Sri Lanka and Morocco and other Philippines. Philippines also I no need click. So these country you can deselect or you can select, no problem. I have in my experience, if you click from Philippines, click from Philippines, I have go to 30 cent something CPC on my AdSense account. Morocco people don't know how to work, and Nepal, many thousands of people working from Nepal here in Pico Worker. So I no need all people complete this campaign from Nepal only. So you can deselect here. On China traffic you also can select or you can not select. If you need click from China, you can deselect. If you no need click, you can select. This is exclude. This is the red color. You can exclude this campaign. This is the tips for how to run campaign on Pico Worker. And the second thing, I will show you how you can run campaign on Rapid Worker. For example, I go to my campaign section. Here you can click on new campaign and you can select here USA, International, Canada, UK. I select International, and you need to select click or search. So click. Here many type of campaign you can run here. I always keep this one, click for search, and search 1x click. This is here CPC coming 10 cent, and campaign cost is 96 cent. Here you can people select, for example 50 people. I need 50 click, so I need to spend $6 each worker. I have paid $10 cents, sorry. So this is too much. So I have select another category. For example, I select this category, widget a site, and I select widget and check this one. Here what is you need to pay only 5 cents. And if you want to 50 click, you can select here 50. You need to pay only $3. So here in Rapid Worker, you need to select this one, widget a website, and here select widget and check. Here you can get this campaign, widget website, and click 1x. Here you can write your campaign, for example, like this. What is this? There is campaign. This campaign copy here and go to Rapid Worker and paste here. Go to Google search, search make money online without quotes. Check the screenshot, for example. Go to website online.in and visit 10 post and wait 10 seconds each post. Click one banner ad and go to ads website and visit any other 3 pages. And work proof also you can copy here. Same campaign you can copy here and paste on your Rapid Worker here. Okay. After that, feature task, this is select 50 cent cost, but your post going to viral, and you can submit campaign. After submit campaign, your campaign will be live within 1 hour in Rapid Worker. And after submit campaign on Pico Worker, your campaign will be live in 5 hours minimum. I think 5 hours they take for active your campaign. So you can campaign here on Pico Worker and Rapid Worker, and you can get thousands of clicks from here. By you can click here paid clicks, and you will earn more money. I have earned 6 months only from the 2 websites, Pico Worker and Rapid Worker, with my paid campaign. I have got always traffic from search engine, because search engine traffic is important according to Google. And if you send traffic from your Facebook page or other thing, then this is the bad traffic according to Google. So always send search engine traffic. When you can send search engine traffic, if your keyword are rank on Google, then you can send traffic from search engine. Someone search your keyword and go to like this one. For example, this is my website, and this website first rank on Google first page. So I can send this type of traffic with this keyword, but you cannot send because your website is not rank on Google. You cannot send traffic from search engine. So you can send another thing. For example, you can send by Facebook page or by Pinterest page, but it is not best campaign. So always send traffic from search engine. I hope this tutorial is very good for you. This trick you can earn thousands of $1,000 from Google AdSense. This is the pure black hat technique that I have used last 6 months. From these 2 websites, I have earned lot of money on my Google AdSense account. So thank you very much.